Hey guys, just quick Friday focus here. I want to talk about electron configurations and making sure that we are writing them as we have learned them in this class, not using some other system learned elsewhere. So we're going to write the electron configuration for chromium. So the way that we learned how to do it in this class is we learned how to use the periodic table kind of as a book, reading from the left to the right and just following along that way. So our destination in this case is chromium, so I'm going to go ahead and circle that so we know that's where our configuration is going to stop. All right, so we're going to start at the top. I probably shouldn't write it in white. That would not be helpful. Come on. All right, so we're going to start at the top with this 1. So that's the first energy level. So I'm going to write down 1. And then the first block we see is S. So 1, S, 2. We get to the end. We come down here. Then we've got 2, S, 2, and 2, P6. So 2, S, 2, 2, P6. I'm going to kind of go through this quickly because it should be a review, just making sure we're doing it correctly. After that, we're going to come down here to 3. So we've got 3s2, 3p6. Okay. And then from there, the next thing we come into contact with is the 4s, and we're going to put 2 electrons in there. And then we're going to come here to the D block. So remember, our D block is the exception to the rule. It's down 1 energy level. So this is the 3D. And then chromium is 1, 2, 3, 4 places in. So that's 3D4. So that's the convention that we've used to write electron configurations. We're going to use the periodic table as a book. So we're going to go S, SP, SP, SD, and then we would go back to the P. If you were to Google an answer or you were to look this up, the electron configuration for chromium is going to look very different. The reasons for that different configuration are things that have to do with 300, 400 graduate level chemistry. So skills that we do not need here as a general chemist. So if I were to ask for the electron configuration for chromium on the test, this is the configuration I would be looking for. Anything beyond that, outside of that, a different order than that would get marked as incorrect. So I just want to make sure that we're really clear on what configurations we are learning in this class and what I'll be looking for on the exam. I hope you guys found this helpful.